Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and greetings to whomever that is watching this. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Honan and I'm the leader of Group 5, and today we will present to you our problem-based learning report.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Meshami. So I'm going to present about acknowledgement. First of all, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to our lecturer Dr. Nurhaliza binti Abu Bakar for the guidance provided, for the helps, for the patience during the period of preparing the report. So next, any effort at any stage can be captively achieved without the help and guidance of my group members. And then in collecting different details, collecting data and guidings.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Sharum. My number metric is AA200086. So today I will present about minute meeting in our PBL project. So for our first meeting, it was held on 15 January 2021, 10 p.m. Location at Google Meet because of this pandemic COVID-19, and all the members is present. Our purpose to do the meeting is discussion of the mathematics engineering problem, based learning report and presentation. Okay, agenda for the topic is first, suggest and appoint a group leader of this project. Second, understand the whole idea and problem of this problem-based learning report. 3. Giving the task distribution of the engineering math problem-based learning report. Set the due date to send the task given of each part of the report to the leader. Need to be done before the next meeting to discuss and combine the task given. So, for the minute meeting second, it was held on 17 January 2021, time 9 p.m, location at Google Meet. All members are present, and the purpose of this meeting is discussion of the mathematics engineering problem-based learning report and presentation. Agenda topic is discuss if there was any problem while doing the project. Second, collect all the tasks given by each of group member and compile it into one file report. So the third one is check if there were any mistake in the report. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, so we meet again. So now I'm gonna talk about introduction. So for this report, it is basically about integration. It's used to find the areas of the two-dimensional region and computing volumes of three-dimensional object. In the applications of integration, there are 9 partitions, such as area between curve, distance, volume, average value of a function, work, center of mass, kinetic, and probability. So, if we take a look at the questions, the question requests to find the area of region and the arc length from the equation given and pairing. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Takif bin Hashim. My number metric is AA200675, and now I will explain about our problem statement for our group based on the document that our lecturer give us, which is question 3. According to question 3 that we get, it said that a company selling casing of the handphones that has a marginal cost function of Cx equal to 3x square root 2 minus 32x plus 83, where x represent the number of casing of the handphones. A marginal revenue function given by Rx equal to 73 minus 16x. Find, and then a question that find the area of the region that is enclosed between these two functions. Hence, find the arc length of the Rx equal to 73 minus 16x from the point which is 241 to 49. That's all from me from the problem statement.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Honan, and today I will present to you about our group's filler table, which is case study 3. I'm sure that the question as written on the slide has been presented to you by my friend before me. So I will get straight into the filler table. So firstly, the facts. We have the facts, and I will read the 4 facts that I found when analyzing the question, or more specifically the problem. So firstly, a company is selling casing of handphones. Second, the marginal cost function is Cx equal to 3x to the power of 2 minus 32x plus 83. And the third fact is x represents the number of casing of the handphones. And the last fact is the marginal revenue function is Rx equal 73 minus 16x. So we move on to the ideas. So our idea to solve this problem is to find the enclosed area between the two lines, which can be sketched into a graph. So we'll find the area between the enclosed area between the two lines using definite integration. And our second idea, this is to find the arc length as asked from the question. To find the arc length, we will use the formula as written on the slide. So we'll move on to the learning issues. So we have 2 learning issues that we need to solve. Firstly, we need to find the area of the region that is enclosed between Cx and Rx, and secondly, we need to find the arc length of Rx equals 73 minus 16x from point 241 to 49. So for this problem we need resources, and we only need 3 resources, which is the scientific calculator, more preferably like this, a scientific calculator which can solve scientific problems such as differentiation, integration. You can just key in the numbers here and solve it. And we need the mathematical formula, which we had already found, and that is written on the slide now. And we need a tutorial video because we still learning after all. So we need a tutorial video to make reference to solve the problem. So that's all from me, and we'll move on to the next section. Thank you.
Hello and good day. I am Muhammad Nur Rahman bin Nur Azman, and I will be presenting about solutions. So the first one is the area of the region enclosed between the 2 graphs. We will use the equation Cx equals to Rx. So we'll start with 3x power of 2 minus 32x plus 83 equals to 73 minus 16x. Then we will get 3x power of 2 negative minus 16x plus 10. Then we will use the quadratic formula to determine the values of x. So x equals to 16 plus minus square root negative 16 power of 2 minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. X then equals to 16 plus minus 11.66 divided by 6. X equals to 27.66 divided by 6, and x equals to 4.34 divided by 6. Then the final product will be x equals to 4.61 and x equals to 0.72. Then we will search for then we will use integration to determine the area. So we will have to subtract Rx by Cx, and we will start with negative 3x power of 2 plus 16x minus 10, and then we will get and then we will have to integrate them, and it will be x power of 3 plus 8x power of 2 minus 10x. Then we will have to substitute the values of x with 4.61 and 0.72. We'll have to subtract 4.61 and 0.72. So 4.61 power of 3 plus 8 multiplied by 4.61 power of 2 minus 10 multiplied by 4.61, subtract with 0.72 power of 3 plus 8 multiplied by 0.72 power of 2 minus 10 multiplied by 0.72. Then we will have area equals to 25.93 plus 3.41, and we will have the final product. Area equals to 29.34 unit power of 2. So now we will discuss the solution of the arc length. So we will use the formula of arc length, which is L equals to integration AB square root 1 plus R differentiated Rx differentiated power of 2 dx. So first we will have to differentiate Rx, and it will be negative. The answer will be negative 16. So we will substitute the values of Rx differentiated with negative 16. So length equals to 1 square root 1 plus negative 16 power of 2 dx. So we will have the final product square root 257 dx. Then we will have to substitute we will have to integrate it first. Then we will substitute the x with the values 4 and 2. So it will be 4 multiplied by square root 257 minus by 2 multiplied by square root 257, and the final answer will be approximately 32.06 units.
Conclusion. As a conclusion, refer to the answer above it. Have two questions where find the area of the region and find the arc length. The answers for that question is positive values. The question given a marginal cost function of Cx equal to 3x square minus 32x plus 83, and marginal revenue function given by Rx equal to 73 minus 16x. Forget the area of the region. We using formula Cx equal to Rx. It will get 3x square minus 16x plus 10. Then we use formula x equal to negative b plus b square minus 4ac divided by 2 to get the x. Then we got the x. The x have two value 4.6 and 0.72. Then we use formula A equal BA Rx minus Cx dx. Then we replace that symbol with the value. So we get the area is 29.34 unit square. Then the arc length, we use formula L equal to root 42 root 1 plus R x square dx, where is Rx equal to 73 minus 16x. Differentiate it will get Rx equal to negative 16.
So the final answer is L equals to 32.06 unit. Reference, we got 3 reference: http quickmesh.com, www.met24.net, and the last one is www.domis.com. Thank you.